welcome to the Certified SolidWorks exam. So this is a course on CSWA on Udemy. So this course is nothing but it gives you an tag for CSWA. So this is basically for the interviewer. You will know that you have some knowledge in SolidWorks. Okay. After you take the course and you can see the models and join the course and write the exam, CSWA exam also. Okay. First part will be drafting competencies. So these are 3.3 questions which having 5 points. These are nothing but basically choose the correct answers. Random questions on SolidWorks. Okay. So miscellaneous questions will be asked from the SolidWorks software. Okay, if you want to get this PDF, I will give a link below on the course, and also you can simply type on Google CSWA, you will get it, no problem. So as I said earlier, drafting competencies is the first thing. Then basic part creation modification is another topic. So those are having 2 questions of 15 points each. So topics covered in this are sketching, extrude pass, extrude cut, modification of key dimensions. Those are the topics which are present in SolidWorks. You need to practice all these topics to answer the questions. You will be basically create given dimensions, top view, front view and all. You need to create parts out of it, and some dimension related questions will be asked and you need to answer those. Okay, the next topic will be intermediate part creation and modification, which has 2 questions which consist of 15 points each. Topics those covers are sketching, revolve boss, extrude cut, circular pattern. So this is similar to the previous thing. The only difference is the part will be little bit difficult. Okay, you need to allocate a lot more time for this one, and you need to check that answers. Accuracy of the answers are very important, but because some answers will be choose the correct answers and some will be fill in the blanks. Okay, then the next one is advanced part creation and modification. This will have 3 questions of 15 points each. Topics covered those again are sketching, sketch offset, extrude pass, extrude cut, modification of key dimensions, more difficult geometry modifications. Then means it has difficulty ranges a bit bigger. Okay, so you need to practice thoroughly these topics. Typically to successfully complete this CSW exam, you need to practice 6 months of SolidWorks, then only you will be familiar. Okay, the next concept is assembly creation. So it has 4 questions of 30 points each. The topics covered are placing of base part, mates, modification of key parameters in assembly. This is nothing but assembly related topic. So previous all topics are creating a model, means creating a 3D from 2 dimensions, and this you need to create an assembly. Okay, then it has in total 14 questions. Total points will be 240, and points needed to pass is nothing but 165 marks. So total 14 questions from these above mentioned topics will be given, and out of 240 marks need to cover minimum 165. The time is 180 minutes. Okay, so as you can see here, the sample, this is a sample test. So this is the basic what we call format. It may change, may or may not change, but generally this format is followed. So here we come to how to prepare for the exam. As you can see, these questions are not guaranteed. These are not the actual questions. The format, this is only just the format for you to practice to get an idea of the SolidWorks exam will be there. Okay, now we are going to open the software. You can get this free version of the software, student version also. If you just type on Google's SolidWorks student version, you will get the software, not a problem. Okay, no, okay, this is an website. How to go to that website? Just go to home, support, training, SolidWorks courses. Okay, if you want to just prepare for the exam, you can go to the below mentioned link. Okay, as you can see, you can open new part. You need to open that. Let's wait for the part to be open. Yeah, it is open now. Now go to help tab. You need to go to help tab. So we are going to the SolidWorks tutorial here. That is search bar, then go to the CSWS CSWP preparation. You can see here those are lessons, parts, assemblies, drawings. You can go and click on any of them and try yourself. So you need to minimum prepare for 6 months to get your familiarized with SolidWorks software. As you can see, I have opened parts. These are instructions given, and you will be given a base model also, how to prepare part by part, point by point instructions will be given. Okay, so if you want to take that exam, you can go to this link. As you can see in the PDF, it is mentioned the link. You need to click and you need to pay a certain amount of fees. It will be generally around $90 to $100. Okay, you can go to that and click. You need to have a working computer and with pre-installed SolidWorks software. Okay, as you can see, we are going to the test questions. This is sample questions. Don't think that these questions will be exact questions coming in the exam. This is just a format. Okay, as you can see here, the first question is choose the correct answer. So a question will be given. So to create a drawing, general question it is. So A, B, C, D options will be given, 4 options, and one of the option is correct answer. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of the video. So we will see the next concept. Okay.